Hi friends, welcome to Rekha's Cookhouse. Today I would like to share with you a crispy, tasty and crunchy potato sev. You can call it Aloo Bhujiya or potato sev. It is a Diwali special recipe, but you can enjoy not only in the Diwali but all time your favorite dish. You can enjoy with tea. Tea time is the best way. So, this crunchy and potato sev, we need some ingredients. Let's start for our recipe. We need 2 potato. These are the boiled potato. I have taken 2 potato and boiled and then grated them. This is the grated potato, 1 bowl, and we need some ginger, carom seed and garlic. First of all, this ginger, garlic cloves and carom seed, I crushed it, somewhat crushed, not grind, and add some water in it. This crushed paste I have add some water and strain with a strainer. Look, this is the concentrate of the ginger garlic paste. Then I have taken 1 pot, add 1 bowl of grated potato, mix 1 bowl of gram flour or you can call it besan. In this is a coriander powder. You can add 1 tablespoon coriander powder, then 1 spoon or as you taste. Chili powder, red chili powder, turmeric powder and salt for your taste, some chaat masala and then ginger garlic concentrate. All this mix well and knead the mixture properly. Our dough is ready. There is no need to add more water. I have put the dough in the sev maker. This is the sev maker, and grease the sev plate with the oil, and this dough I will put in the sev maker. Heat the oil on the medium flame. Now you can see I am dropping the sev in the oil. I have used medium size sev plate. Wait 2 to 3 minutes. You have to fry the sev on a low flame itself. The sev should not be too long in the oil. Turn it out, which make it crispy and crunchy. You can take it out of the oil. Our next batch is also ready. As first batch, see, our sev is ready. Enjoy and thanks for watching.